In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a drop-down menu. Go to Online Store and click on Navigation. You'll see different menus in your store. Let's select the menu used at the page's top navigation. In this case, the main menu. There are currently 3 menu items, and these are all top-level menus. To add a submenu to a specific menu item, you must nest a menu under it. First, let's add a new menu. Click on the menu and drag it to the right under the parent menu of your choice. Notice it adds a caret symbol to the catalog. This means that there is a submenu under it. Once done, save the menu. Note that this function is dependent on your store theme. Commonly, this is supported on most themes. You can try another theme or app if your theme doesn't support this. You can also look for a Shopify developer to develop this function.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.